Do you want to start kitchen gardening? Do you want to grow vegetables on your rooftop but don't have the money to buy expensive pots or grow bags? Then you don't need to worry at all. You can start kitchen gardening by using sacks just like I do, but sure make some holes in the bag before filling it with soil just like I did. The soil should be light and fertile for growing spinach. For this, mix equal amount of decomposed dung manure and soil. Fill the prepared soil into sack. You can plant spinach all year round. During the winters, plant spinach in a sunny spot, and in the summer, you can plant it in the shade of your garden plants. However, when it comes to the ideal temperature, if you plant the spinach seeds at a temperature below 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, the spinach seedlings will grow very well. At high temperature, the seedlings may die after sprouting. To ensure 100% seed germination, buy only good quality seeds and do not sow old seeds. After sowing the seeds, cover them with a thin layer of soil. After that, add water and keep the soil lightly moist at all time. Light spray water at interval of 1 to 2 days. After 4 to 5 days, the spinach seeds have germinated and sprouted. So this is how you too can grow spinach at home without any cost. So this is how you can start kitchen gardening in sack without buying expensive pots or grow bags. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.